Hello and welcome to Learn English with News. Today we are talking about serious weather event in the Philippines, a super typhoon named Pepito. By the end of this video, you will learn key vocabulary related to weather, understand some simple grammar and improve your English comprehension. Let's dive in. A super typhoon named Pepito is threatening southern Luzon and eastern Visayas in the Philippines. Signal number 4, the second highest alert has been raised in the Caledonians and northeastern Camarines Surge. This means very strong winds and heavy rain are expected. Authorities are urging residents to evacuate areas at the risk of flooding and storm surges. School and businesses has been closed to keep people safe. Everyone is being advised to prepare for the storm's impact. Now let's learn 5 important words from this news. Super typhoon. It means a very powerful tropical storm with a wind over 220 km per hour. For example, the super typhoon caused damage to many houses. Evacuate. It means to leave a place for safety reason. For example, residents evacuate their homes before the storm arrived. Flooding. It means a lot of water covering land that is normally dry. For example, flooding in low-lying areas is common during typhoon. Storm surge. It means a rise in a sea level caused by a storm pushing water onshore. For example, the storm surge damaged many houses near the beach. Suspended. It means temporarily closed. For example, classes were suspended because of bad weather. Let's look at the sentence. Authorities are urging residents to evacuate. This is an example of present continuous tense which describes actions happening now or in the near future. Try these examples. The typhoon is bringing strong winds. People are preparing for a storm. Can you make your own sentence with the present continuous tense? Write in the comments. Today we learned about super typhoon Pepito and practice new words like flooding and suspended. Remember to stay safe during the bad weather and keep practicing your English every day. See you in the next video.